What happens if you try survival skills training for 1 year? Day 1 of survival training. You showed up in a tuxedo because dressing for the job you want apparently includes being a dead butler in the woods. This is a tent. Or, it was until you breathed on it. That's a poisonous berry. Your eye sockets are glowing blue, which usually isn't a great sign for the living or the dead. A squirrel just took your wallet. You are officially at the bottom of the food chain. Month 1 ended with a mud bath. It's good for the bones, probably. Month 3, you've upgraded to a camo t-shirt and a book you're reading upside down. You tried to rub 2 sticks together, but you're just making bone dust seasoning for the forest. That 6-year-old just built a log cabin. You built a pile of trash. Rain plus 0 skin equals a very leaky situation. You're basically a decorative fountain now. The rabbit isn't trapped. He's just disappointed in your engineering. Month 5. You bought every tactical item on the internet. You look like a walking hardware store. In the mirror, you see a survival god. Everyone else sees a very expensive pile of calcium. The tactical roll was 10 out of 10. The landing site was a 0. You tried to use a high-tech hammock and turned into a bone swing. It's self-trapping. There goes $5,000. Hope you know where north is. You're carrying enough gear to sink a boat, and you're moving at the speed of a glacier. Month 7. The gear is ripped, and so are your nerves. You actually have smoke. You almost had a fire, then you sneezed and blew the entire forest hope away. Your ribs are playing a sad song in the wind. You're basically a xylophone in a gale. Even the professional coach is starting to question his career choices. You managed to trap yourself. That's actually a very high-level skill. Month 10. This is your moment of destiny. Total focus. Fire. Actual, glowing hot fire. You are the king of the woods. You're celebrating like you discovered the wheel and the internet at the same time, and you just burnt the entire campsite down. Great job, Prometheus. It was definitely the rock's fault. That rock has always looked suspicious. Month 12. You are mostly pine sap, mud, and regret. You're a birdhouse now. Survival is just staying alive while looking absolutely terrible. That hotel has room service. You survived the year, barely. But was it worth it? No, definitely not. Maybe next year we just try something easier, like bowling. Bowling has air conditioning.